ফর্মটা মেইন স্ট্রিট ডিজাইনের ফর্মটা ওইটাই হচ্ছে একটু ঝামেলা মনে হয়েছে আমার কাছে, মানে আমি পরিপূর্ণ পারি নাই।
Hello.
হ্যালো।
Hello, Tommy. How are you?
Good. How are you guys?
Yeah, we are doing good.
ইয়া
I was just talking to Habib about the Main Street Design contact us page.
Okay.
So, yeah, I think he was having a
I just problem
simple
with that
problem
form.
with the
Maybe it will be
form.
fixed within some times.
Yeah,
No worries. And
Habib, I don't worry. I will help you on that.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, so should I go ahead?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so first I will go with the random echo.
Sure.
So you couldn't see the page, right?
No, I could not see the page.
Yeah, it was because the page is as a trapped, set as a trapped.
Okay.
So that's why you're not seeing. Because yesterday Logan told me to build a new page as a trapped and let the client see that, and he will publish the page.
Sure. But
Okay.
where can I see it to see what it looks like, right?
Okay, so I will share my screen. So if you are on the dashboard on the pages, if you click on drafts, all of the
Yeah.
drafts will appear, and just click on preview. This is the page we heal
Okay.
Retreat. So and this was the sorry, find the page. I think client asked us to make a page, not exactly like the one,
But as close as we can.
yeah, as close as we can. And one thing, I couldn't separate the this is the
It's FLO. Yes, that's it.
So I couldn't separate the image from the website because if I go to inspect and try to retrieve the page, I think it is coming from like some data attribute.
Okay.
So I wasn't able to.
Wait, which image is this?
This is the banner image. They also gave us this image, but I'm talking about these images.
Okay, the ones below it.
Oh,
Okay, I see.
it's different from yesterday. I'm not sure, but this section was not here today. Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
So is it?
This is a new section. Okay, so yeah, so this is the page.
Yep.
I made it as close as possible. So and I used our image, which we already had.
Yeah, it looks pretty similar.
Yeah, but there are some issues. I commented. So you can see this. We heal like this is a product, right?
Yeah.
So we can also buy it from here.
Yep.
So I'm not sure which product will go here because I think we don't have the same product here. So I leave it as it is. I also mentioned it to the comment.
Sure.
And I think I also have to make this section again.
Which one?
These two section.
Yeah. Yeah, because that's new, you said, right?
Yeah.
So this one.
Okay, and this is it page.
Yep.
And I also updated the calendar on this site. So yeah, and I'm working on the site optimization.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a little bit tricky because the site is it complex because this is custom theme.
Yeah.
So there are like two different header files. So
Yeah, I don't know why that keeps happening, but
yeah, this site is a little bit complicated, but it will be done in like in an hour.
okay.
So yeah,
All right. I'll put this back into selected for development then for
Yeah.
Domingo. And I'll find out which product that we're going to use.
yeah. Maybe Logan can tell us about it because
Yeah.
he works on this site.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, not much to update now. Yeah, that's it from me for now.
Sure. B, do you have any other work that you're working on?
For me, I need to work just for form, contact form. So I need help from
Okay.
Sourov bhai, you know. So it will be fixed. I hope. Uh, After sometimes
Okay.
we talk together and we'll fix.
And it's not something that you can learn, right, on your own. It's something you need
Yeah.
help from Shurov. Okay.
Yeah, I will just show him how to do it. Like I won't do it, do the task actually, but he will do it. But I will just show him how to do it.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Whatever works, but
I
I
already
just don't want you
created.
spending so much time
Tommy, I already created,
with
but
him.
I am facing some issues. Just
Okay.
need to fix. Okay.
Okay. That's fine. Cool. All right. Yeah, that's fine. We will talk soon then. We can leave then. There's not much else I need to say. The only thing that I could think of that. Here, give me 2 seconds. Let me see what came in yesterday. Okay. All right. Yeah, the only thing I could think of is. Here, let me share. I would do this myself, but again, I don't have a lot of experience with WordPress, so it would probably take me a few minutes to figure it out. I'm sure I can still. I might just assign it to you guys to be. They just want to get rid of the core, the category, right? We have a category called the core, and they don't want it. Like over here, they don't want the core. So whatever's in the core, we're gonna put into home and garden. We're gonna get rid of this. But yeah, it shouldn't take too long to do. I might just do it myself. I'll figure it out.
Okay.
All right. Other than that, I don't have any other work to assign.
Okay, no problem. We will get up our works and yeah.
Okay. All right. I'll talk to you guys soon.
Okay. Talk to
Okay.
you later. Yeah.
Yep.
Bye everyone.
Good day.
Bye.